Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Hey Mike, cops coming y'all way towards the exit.
They swear.
Ever since the team gang, they labeled us as menaces. I swear, but I'm still deep up in the trenches.
Yo, what the is that? What the
While I was fresh and my ones got some creases in them. Niggas get that belt for acting up. We got it this money. Put them in the ass. My friends bitch on smash.
That's supposed to turn left. I don't know who this thing is in front of me, but he don't want the business. He don't want it. He don't want the business. My downshift sounds something crazy. Bro, I wish we could listen to music on these POVs, bro. This shit would be jumping right now. I don't know what that is behind me. I think that's a Stang. Oh shit. I think that's a Stang. I don't know what's behind me, but that nigga don't want to work. Roll my windows up. Cause shit about to get wicked, boy. Terrible spot to run it. Oh yeah, pulling on that nigga. Ah shit. Dark Horse versus Stock Scat, nigga. Oh shit!
Hey, when y'all boys get close to Arrowwood, when y'all boys get close to Arrowwood, it's a cop, dog.
Oh shit.
It's a cop pulled the nigga over.
I bet. I just what's it called? I just raced the Dark Horse, nigga. That nigga won by half a car.
Oh, I'm dragging that nigga then.
Oh shit, it's a different Stang trying to line up with them niggas. Damn, bro, that nigga Prices got dragged, bro.
I was literally going like a honey something, but he pulled out a honey.
Bro, see, bro, the Dark Horse barely pulling on my ass, bro.
Hey, Mike, cops coming y'all way towards the exit.
Say swear.
Alright, we finna.
Nah, that's.
Bro, that was a crazy run, bro.
That was great runs, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I thought you was finna leave my ass, but
Nah, it's stuck, bro. What
word.
you got done?
I ain't got shit done. This shit stopped. Just intake and mid pipes. Nah, that shit was smooth. You had me by like half a car though, I ain't gonna lie. But that shit was smooth.
I ain't get a single run in with no fucking body, dog.
Bro, that shit was
I ain't
crazy.
get a single fucking run in, bro.
I'm really trying to get you, bro.
For real? Yeah, I ain't even get a chance. I was focused on him, I ain't gonna lie.
My boy like that, though.
Hell yeah. Y'all seen when we got off, the other cops was going, yeah.
Niggas was going up.
I feel like them niggas, bro. I ain't gonna lie, they def got called, bro, by that state. Cause he seen 6 niggas with cams on the shit. Hell no.
Yo.
My shit is bald, but I'm over here doing all this bullshit. I ain't gonna lie, this video finna be all over the place. With my traction on, bro. I need to turn my shit off.
Say, you think I'm gonna drag this nigga, or you think I'm gonna just stay with him the whole way?
Bro, you got E, bro. You gonna win by a car. I predict a car.
I got E, nigga. I got E, a transmission tool, and a custom. And a,
no, literally. And he bone stop.
This shit on stage 3.
Bro, I'm finna be at the ram right now. Y'all niggas wait for me. I just wanna watch.
I bet I told him to slow down. Me, he got to stay in the race, and I got to stay in the race.
Damn. I bet.
I bet. Time to get locked in now. Oh shit, they pushing. Ah, damn. Why is the nigga hitting the brakes? Hold on, y'all. All right. Dragging to 10 speed. Dragging to 10 speed. Dragging to 10 speed. Dragging to 10 speed. Bro, I don't know who this is with these bright ass headlights, but I think you want to line it up. Oh, it's another. Oh, this Price. All right, bet. 1, 2, 3. Dragging Price ass. Dragging Price ass. I pray the 360 was recording.
Nigga, I'm gonna drag the fuck out.
I did not hear when it started. I did not know when they started. Oh yeah. He's starting to creep back up, I ain't gonna lie. Slow down. I wanted to 60 to 130. Bro, I shouldn't be doing this on these bald ass tires. Yeah, he got my ass that time, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what changed, but he got my ass right there. Hey, but as long as I got Price, that's all that matters. hear this nigga horn over our cars. I ain't gonna lie. That weight definitely made a difference though. I ain't gonna lie.
What, between you and the hell?
Hell yeah. When he dropped the weight, this shit got up more, which is expected.
I text her phone like, what you doing? What you getting into? Yeah, if I saw you back then, same shit would've happened, would've had you in middle school. I was trying to catch a B and had A's in class, I would never skip in school. I don't even got the flex, but I got it wet like she in the swimming pool. I text her phone.
Niggas is finna dog the whip once again, man. Wind up looking sexy. My nigga DJ. Who the fuck is this? Yo, what the fuck is in that? What the fuck is in that truck? What 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 is in that truck? And this 5-0 slowly pulling on me, man. What is in that truck? I'm trying to figure out what the hell is in that truck. What the hell is in that truck? Damn. Get a picture. Oh yeah, oh yeah, he not gaining. Oh yeah. Oh shit, he's gaining. I ain't gonna lie, that was a tie, that was a tie. We had more space, he probably would've got my ass, but that's a tie regardless. Yo, that truck is fast as a bitch, dog. Bro, what is in that truck? What is in that truck?
Nah, that truck is fast as fuck. I can't.
Bro, that truck got 1,000, bro. That truck has to have 1,000, bro. Genuinely, bro. I ain't never been gapped like that in my life.
I better try to race that nigga.
Bro, good luck, bro. Try it, bro. DJ just tried to race his ass, too. No, Maine is faster than me, no! Maine is faster than me! Not by that much though, bruh. Not by that much though, bruh. Keep in mind, he stays 2 tune and on E. That nigga counted fast as that nigga did that honk fast as shit, bruh. Hell nah, that shit don't count. That nigga did that honk fast as shit. Yo, that nigga hanging out the window. This nigga dangerous. One, two, three. Damn, he walking my ass. Wait till I get that K, it's up. Niggas is just dogging shit, bruh. 1, 2, 3. Fuck out my horn for it to honk. See, like right here, okay, price gaining a little bit. Slow down. I am not trying to go 150 over these curves, boy.